Here is how to install a WiperBlades USA gold beam blade on a pinch tab wiper arm. First, prepare the vehicle by placing a piece of cardboard or floor mat under the driver's side wiper to prevent damage to the windshield. Select the longer blade in the set. This is usually for the driver's side. Remove it from the cardboard sleeve. The B1 adapter is required for the pinch tab wiper arm and should be pre-installed. If it's not, you can simply swap it out. First, press the release tab on the existing adapter and lift it out. Then insert adapter B1 and press it down until it clicks to lock in place. Next, align the tab part of the wiper into the hole in the adapter. Tilt the wiper up, then with two fingers pinch the side legs of the adapter while tilting the wiper into place. Release and the wiper should be locked into place. Be sure to remove the plastic cover from the blade's edge. Carefully place the wiper down on the windshield and remove the cardboard. After repeating these steps for the passenger side, discard the trash and remember to drive safe.